the mystery behind melting mango flesh, from the microscope to our bodies. Have you ever held a ripe mango? The flesh is so soft, so sweet, and so sticky to your fingers. But have you ever wondered why it's like this? What's the secret behind this perfect, melt-in-your-mouth texture? Today, we're going on a science detective journey. We'll examine the mango not just from the skin, but all the way down to the cellular level. We'll answer questions you might not have thought about before. Why is the skin so thin while the flesh is so thick? What makes it so juicy? And most importantly, what actually happens inside our bodies when we savor the sweetness of this heavenly fruit? Beware, the answer might make you look at mangoes in a whole new way. Let's start with the most basic observation. Look at this fruit. From the outside at the beginning of the video, it just looks like a delicious treat. But in the eyes of a scientist, it's a sophisticated survival machine. Its sole purpose is to protect the seed and attract animals to disperse it. We can see with the help of a microscope that there are many fibers that look like long, thin wood between the flesh of the mango. And among the mango fibers that form long, thin wood, there are microessences, but sometimes they're shaped like microspores. That is where the nutritional content in the mango flesh is. The answer to our first question is right here. The thin skin is its armor. It's strong enough to protect against scratches and fungal attacks, yet flexible enough to expand as the fruit grows. Then, notice the thick yellow layer. This is the gift prepared by the mango tree. Under a microscope, its secret is revealed. This thick flesh is composed of thousands of parenchyma cells. Think of them like mini water balloons. As the mango ripens, these cells enlarge and fill with vacuoles, giant sacs that store water, sugar, vitamins, and flavor. The skin only needs to be an efficient wrapper, while the real flavor factory and supply warehouse are inside these water balloons. This thin versus thick division of labor is nature's ingenious division of labor. Now, this leads to the second mystery. Why is it so watery and sticky? Remember those water balloons? When we cut or hold them, part of them burst. What comes out? The resulting liquid isn't just water. It's a magical cocktail. It's mostly water, yes, but there are two other stars, natural sugar and pectin. Fructose and sucrose are the sugars that provide the immediate sweetness, but pectin is the hidden star. Pectin is a soluble fiber. In high concentrations, it acts like a natural glue and thickener. When you feel a sticky feeling on your fingers, that's it, the concentrated pectin mixed with sugar. So, that stickiness is actually a sign of the rich fiber and flavor of very ripe fruit. This is nature's way of saying, I'm full of good things. But what exactly are these good things that this magical cocktail brings to our bodies? This is our intelligence mission. When we eat a piece of mango, we're sending a special nutritional force into our system. The leader of the force is vitamin C. Just 1 cup of mango can fulfill almost 70% of your daily needs. He is the commander who increases the body's immune defense, as well as the architect who builds collagen for your skin and joints. Powered by vitamin A for sharp eyesight, fiber for smooth digestion, and potassium for a healthy heart. And there's the secret agent, mangiferin. This super antioxidant, found only in mangoes and a few other tree families, patrols the free radicals that cause aging and disease. Every bite is a well-planned defense strategy. With such a formidable army, does that mean we can eat a bowlful every day? Here's an important lesson. In science and nature, everything has two sides. Mangoes are a friend, but if we overdo it, they can send warning signals. First, those helpful fiber troops, if present in excessive amounts, can rebel and cause bloating or diarrhea. Second, natural sugars, while natural, are still sugars. Excessive consumption can burden the pancreas and affect blood sugar levels, especially in those already susceptible. And what's often forgotten? The great vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin. This means that excess is not immediately excreted, but stored in the liver. Extreme consumption over a long period of time, more than just eating a lot in one day, can lead to food poisoning. This is a reminder that in nutrition, portion size is everything. So, what's the conclusion of our adventure today? What other fruit stories would you like to know the scientific secrets behind? Is it the creamy texture of an avocado or the crunchiness of an apple? Let us know in the comments below. If you are impressed by the wonders of today's mango, please like this video and share it with your mango-loving friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because we will be exploring more everyday science mysteries on this channel. See you on the next exploration. Stay curious